I love chicken tenders.
I love chicken tenders too!
We should definitely find some chicken tenders.
Where do chicken tenders live?
I think they might live in the fridge.
Chicken tenders!
Where the hell are all the chicken tenders?
Chicken!
Chicken tenders.
Is this a chicken tender?
I don't think so. Are you a chicken tender?
Dude, that was not a fucking chicken tender.
I really need a chicken tender!
I'm starting to get pissed.
Not as pissed as I'm getting.
Where the fuck's all the chicken tenders?
Shh! I think I hear one in the engine.
They're not under the truck.
Maybe a dinosaur ate all the chicken tenders.
Oh my fucking god. I found the fucking chicken's coop! All the fucking chickens are gone.
What are we gonna do?
Let's check that big ass hole in your wall.
Do you mean the one we cut to find the wizard? There's none in there.
What the fuck do we do now?
Maybe we should both watch TV or something.
I don't think so.
I wonder if there's any pizza.